Welcome to my Affiliate Automation Academy review and bonuses. I am inside the Affiliate Automation Academy members area, where I will give you a quick demo. In a nutshell, Affiliate Automation Academy teaches you how to generate 1K plus a day using an affiliate automation system. It's designed for busy individuals who don't want to spend hours on sales calls or product creation. Now you can grab Affiliate Automation Academy and my high-valued bonuses from my bonus page link in the comments here on YouTube. Bonus 1. Quick Start Checklist. This removes the guesswork, letting you follow a clear path to success, speeding up your results with the main product. Bonus 2. Content Creation Made Easy. This alleviates the common struggle of creating content, allowing you to focus on driving sales and generating income with your new affiliate system. Bonus 3. Personal Branding Bootcamp. This bootcamp enhances your personal brand, helping you connect better with your audience and convert leads into sales faster. Bonus 4. High-Ticket Sales Secrets. This provides strategies for selling high-ticket products, ensuring you maximize your earnings with the automation system. Bonus 5. Tech Setup Simplified. This eliminates the fear of technical setups, allowing you to implement the main product strategies without frustration.
So when you buy a course or before you invest in a course, you want to see exactly what you're getting and you want to see what the actual thing is. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to give you a tour of the Affiliate Automation Academy members area and show you exactly what you're getting. Okay, so with this product, we break it down into three sections, 3 stages. Stage 1 is setup, which is where we set up our Instagram account and we decide what product we're going to promote and we get our affiliate links. Okay, that takes a day, maybe 2 days. Then we go on to driving traffic. Now, for driving traffic, that's getting people to our affiliate link. So people that are interested in purchasing the product we're recommending, how do we get them? So we show you how to drive traffic for free and we show you how to drive traffic with paid ads as well. Now, one thing I'll say as well is we keep these modules as short and sweet as possible. It's very follow over the shoulder, step by step. So the modules are anywhere from like 3 minutes to 30 minutes in length. Okay, we didn't want to make this a long drawn out course. We wanted it to be focused on taking action so you can actually start making money quickly. Okay, so once we've got everything set up and we can start driving traffic, then we go on to the third and final step, which is automating sales. So this is where we can set up automations where we don't have to actually speak to anybody or send anyone anything. We have automations that do all of it for us. Okay. Also, we've got our resources and bonuses. So we have the resources section where all of the resources are here, and we have all of the bonuses that are listed on this page down here as well. Okay. Now, 2 things that I'll say with the Affiliate Automation Academy is one of them is when you're going through this, we actually have a document for you and support links also. Okay. So we have this whole document that you get a copy of and you get to keep that literally breaks every single thing down step by step. Okay. As you can see here, okay, every single thing that we go over is broken down. All right, everything we go over in the video course. Now, if you have any questions or you need some support, you also get access to our Facebook group community where you can ask questions in the group, but also you can direct message me, or you can use good old-fashioned email support to email in if you want one-on-one direct help as well. Okay, now another question that we get asked a lot is, are there any upsells or what are the upsells? So we do have 2 optional extras that you can purchase if you want to. Okay, now what I'll say before I break those down for you is you don't need any of those to make the affiliate automation system work. Okay, you can get to 5K, 10K per month just by this product here, the Affiliate Automation Academy. So what the upsells do is they allow you to get started quicker and easier because it's a lot of done for you materials. So you don't have to do as much work. We just give you everything so you can get started pretty much straight away. Okay, so with that said, let me go over the first optional upgrade. So we call this the Rapid Launch Pack. And again, like I said, this is designed to allow you to launch faster and with less effort. So you can start earning commissions, in days rather than weeks. Okay, now the number one thing here really is we give you an instant upgrade to 70% commission. So if you do decide you want to promote this product, we're going to pay you 70% of all of the sale. So it's kind of like it's your own digital product. Okay, that's a big one. And then all of the rest is done for you materials, done for you automation bots, done for you posts, done for you social proofs, done for you stories, done for you content. Everything's done for you with the Rapid Launch Pack. Like I said, so you can get started quicker and easier. Okay. Now, our other upsell is called the Growth Engine, and what this is for, this shows you how we run paid ads to our funnel and make over 100k per month with paid ads. Now, again, this is for you if you've got high goals and you want to really crush it with affiliate automation. If you want to make 20, 30, 50, 100k per month, this is going to show you how to get there. The other good thing about ads is it allows you to get traffic literally instantly, so you can start making sales pretty much instantly as well. So we go over meta ads, which is how to do ads on Facebook. Okay, we go over all of that. We also show you how to run boosted post ads, direct message ads, and Instagram shout out ads as well. Okay, so again, I just want to recap the Rapid Launch Pack, which is upsell 1, and the Growth Engine upsell 2. You don't need those in order to get to 5 to 10k per month with affiliate automation. Okay, you just need this front end product, but those upsells are there if you just want to get to where you want to get to your goal quicker and easier. Okay, now the final thing that I'll say before I finish this video is a lot of low ticket products like this, they don't really give you everything that you need to succeed. They don't really give you much value because it's just a low ticket price. So what I've specifically done with this is we've packed everything into this, so there's nothing else that you need. Okay, this is literally we could charge a lot more money for this than what we are. Everything that you need to make 5 to 10k per month with affiliate automation is inside of this product. Okay, so I hope to welcome you in here. I hope to speak to you inside of our private community, and I hope to help you along your journey of making money online. So on this page, click one of the big green buttons, get started, and I'll speak to you inside of our members community.
Listen, the Affiliate Automation Academy is ending soon, and trust me, you won't want to miss out. With limited seats available and early bird pricing at just $27, this is your chance to grab a spot before it's too late.